Hi guys, welcome to this video which is all about from work to date outfits. The video is supposed to be out on Valentine's, but not to worry, it's still very much relevant. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and don't forget to share with a friend. Kicking it off with the first outfit, which is all about changing the pants. So I first wear a work look which consists of this straight leg black pants, then later on I change it to skinny blue jeans. You could carry the extra pair of pants in your handbag or your car if you drive. This will help you save time because you won't need to go back home to change into another outfit. Here it's all about changing the top. So at first I wear a work look consisting of this white straight leg pants and a jungle green button up. Then later on I change into a blue gingham top to go with the white straight leg pants for my date. By now you've gotten the hang of this video. It's all about saving time while not compromising on your look. In this third look, I changed the skirt from a pencil skirt, which is work appropriate, into a leather mini to spice up my look for the date. Change the shoes from worky shoes to some fun heels which you can wear when going pretty much anywhere. However, the shoes may not be really work friendly, but I'm sure you get the drift, yeah? This look barely involves any changing, and it's all for my risk takers out there. So I basically wear an appropriate top to work but cover it up with a blazer. To hack this, you will have to keep the blazer on at work, but after work you simply take the blazer off and you're ready to do that. outfit does not involve any changing, which I'm sure most of you will like. I simply wear a fun look to work, which can also pass as a date look. So basically you wear the work look to the date. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, but before I log off, here are some bloopers for you to enjoy.
So change style hata
Yes. Kuna kwa shimo gani?
hata zunguka.
Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe and comment your favorite look down below. Goodbye. See you on the next one.